This video is on installing picket rail. Step 1, using a ratchet, a level, and shims, make sure every post is completely level on 4 sides. When installing stair posts, make sure the distance to the nose of the stair from the base plate is the same for all posts. To cut your top and bottom rail, measure the distance center to center inside the posts and cut your rails at that distance. The process is the same for a corner post, except that your cut is slightly different. It's at 45 degrees and only partially cut. Attach the top and bottom rail using the Tech screws and a drill. Put one screw in each side. The final step is to insert the picket. Start with your clips, begin at one end, clip on the clip, then slide the picket in and over. Finally, make the distance the same near the posts on each section. To do this, measure the distance currently you have, add them together, divide by 2, and cut your clips so that they are the same size. Finally, take your 2 new cut clips the same size, put them in the ends, snap them on, and then slide all the pickets over till they all are tight.